Hello, explorers. Welcome to part 7 of our wildlife quiz series. Today, we're diving into the wonders of nature with 10 new questions about the amazing creatures that inhabit our planet. Ready to test your knowledge? Let's get started. 61. Which animal is known for having quills as a defense mechanism? A. Hedgehog. B. Porcupine. C. Pangolin. D. Armadillo. B. Porcupine. 62. Which bird is known for its distinctive hooting sound? A. Owl. B. Crow. C. Hawk. D. Eagle. C. Hawk. 63. Which sea creature has a hard shell and moves slowly on land? A. Starfish. B. Turtle. C. Crab. D. Lobster. B. Turtle. 64. Which mammal is known for its large, rounded ears and is found in Australia? A. Koala. B. Kangaroo. C. Wombat. D. Tasmanian devil. A. Koala. 65. Which animal is known for its long trunk and is one of the largest land mammals? A. Rhinoceros. B. Giraffe. C. Elephant. D. Hippopotamus. C. Elephant. 66. Which insect is known for its colorful wings and is often seen in gardens? A. Butterfly. B. Ladybug. C. Bee. D. Moth. A. Butterfly. 67. Which animal is known for its playful nature and lives in the ocean? A. Seal. B. Dolphin. C. Otter. D. Penguin. B. Dolphin. 68. Which bird is known for its sharp beak and is a skilled hunter? A. Sparrow. B. Hawk. C. Parrot. D. Pigeon. B. Hawk. 69. Which animal is known for its bushy tail and is often seen gathering nuts? A. Squirrel. B. Rabbit. C. Chipmunk. D. Hedgehog. A. Squirrel. 70. Which sea animal is known for its 8 arms and is highly intelligent? A. Starfish. B. Jellyfish. C. Octopus. D. Sea urchin. C. Octopus. Great job, explorers! That wraps up part 7 of our wildlife quiz series. We hope you enjoyed the journey and learned something new about the amazing creatures of our world. Don't forget to subscribe and share this quiz with your friends. See you in the next part.